Hello everybody, Happy New Year, good start to the year again it's going to be this year, hopefully. Hope you all had a fantastic time, hope you never got too drunk. I had a couple, didn't get drunk but just had a couple of beers, that's all. So I thought I'd start off the year, an air fryer recipe, and I thought I'd do something I've never done before and I've never even had it, and I don't know why I've never had it. I'm going to do a chicken parma in the air fryer. Obviously the bechamel sauce, obviously it's got to be done on the pan. But is it a Teesside thing? I always thought it was Italian. I was looking online and people were saying it's a Teesside. I don't know, you'll have to let me know, but I always thought it was an Italian thing anyway. But that's what we're going to do anyway. So, let me show you. Okay, this is everything I've got. I don't think I've forgot anything. I've got myself 3 chicken breasts, because 3 of us are going to have it. They're going to be quite big. So I'll probably have to do 1 each in the air fryer. I've got some parmesan. I've got 80 grams of butter. I've got just under a teaspoon of nutmeg to your taste. I don't like a lot of it because I find it overpowering. I've got some eggs. I've got these breadcrumbs. I was going to do panko, but then I just thought, I'll just use them. So I've got some of them. I've got 400 ml of milk. I don't think I'll need that much, but that's how much is in there. Some flour, some salt and pepper. First thing I'm going to do the bechamel sauce first. We'll get that done and leave that to sit at the side, and then we can get on with the chicken. Okay, first things first, I'm adding my butter. We're going to get my butter melted. The pan's on really low. And we'll melt your butter. And I'm going to put the same amount of flour in. 80 grams. I don't know whether that's enough, too much or not, I'm not sure. But we're going to find out, ain't we? Can always adjust. I say I don't know, I've never ever made it. Or never ever tried it. But yeah, you'll have to let me know, because I was looking, when I was looking online at what to do, I looked on that, what's that cooking programme called? MasterChef, is it? Is it on there? Was he on there, the bloke from Teesside or something? And him with the glasses, the chef man, we'll turn that down a bit, said he'd never tried it before, and he said it was a Teesside special, so I ain't sure whether, I always thought it was Italian, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure, you'll have to let me know. Or the 2 different things, I thought they was the same. Well, we're going to get the flour in, and we're going to mix it. I'll get my whisk. Gonna mix it in, get it all incorporated. And then, once it's incorporated, we've got to add the milk a little bit at a time. I think you have to, don't you? We're not really into these white sauces and that we ain't, so we don't really do it. But that's what it's all about, isn't it? Learning as you go, you know. You do a paste, add a bit more. Now I don't know if this is going to be enough for 3 chickens, I'm not sure. Just keep adding it. I hope you all had a great New Year. We did, a couple of beers for once. We were supposed to go out today, and I was going to do a vlog out. Which I did say, but absolutely pouring down with rain. So we're going tomorrow. He said it's going to be dry tomorrow. So I wasn't going today with it being like this. Now I'm not sure how thick this is supposed to be. I think it needs to be a bit runnier than that, doesn't it? Or is it supposed to be to taste? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Yeah, more than that, more than that. Put a bit more in there. And just keep mixing. I think that should about do us once this is done, I think. Don't know what I overdo, because I'm doing it in the air fryer, so it's going to probably run a bit, won't it? I'll have to put some parchment paper in the air fryer at the bottom. I think it's going to make a mess. I want some salt and pepper to taste, obviously. I'm going to put put this nutmeg in. I say some people really like nutmeg, and I'm not too bad with it, but I don't like it overpowering. So I've just put under a teaspoon in there. That looks about right, doesn't it? I'm getting there, I think. Let me know if you've made this before as well. And if I do anything wrong, I'm sure you'll let me know if I do anything wrong anyway. I reckon that's about it, don't you? That looks good enough, doesn't it? That's coming off. We'll put that to the side. We'll get on with the chicken. Okay, so we're going to get flour in a bowl. Flour in one, egg in another. Going to be 3, so I can always add more if I need to. Flour. So these breadcrumbs. Yeah, I was in 2 minds whether to do it with panko, but never mind, eh? And we want eggs in that one first. I'm going to put 3 eggs in. Why not? Because I'm having 3 chickens. And I'm going to put a bit of milk with that and whisk it together. Drop of milk, give it a whisk. It's only for the flour to stick to any of the breadcrumbs and that's all it's for. Okay, we're going to do 1 chicken at a time. Which one should we do? Let's do this one first. Let's butterfly it up. Got my new knives that I've bought me for Christmas. I've got to be careful I don't really sharp. First time I've ever used them. I don't want to cut myself. There's one. I won't get them all on there, will I? Let's move that round there. Yeah. I'm terrible with knives at cutting myself. It's not when I'm doing this stuff, it's when I'm washing up. That's my problem half the time. Put my hands into the pan, into the bowl, if you get me. I will pick the blade up, because I'm useless. Yeah, these are butterfly. God, these are so sharp. So sharp. Right, there's them. We're going to I bought one of these. You can use a rolling pin. I saw this at Tesco for £3 in the sale. So I thought, whoa, I'll grab one of them because they always come in handy. But use a rolling pin otherwise. Okay, I've just washed my knife and pull it away before I cut myself. I'm going to get myself some parchment paper now. You can use a bag or something, can't you? You know what I mean? But I've got some parchment paper, so I don't think I need bags. I've got loads of bags up there. Could use, oh, don't mind, I'll use this now. I'm going to cut some of this off. Because I can just use the one for each one, can't I? Just take the chicken off and do the next one. Get a chicken on. And we'll get some more parchment paper on top. Mind you, we'll put that to the edge, like that. Just fold that over, can't I? Like that. And we'll bash away, eh? Okay, I've done them 3 chickens. Now we're going to flour. Take that a little bit off the edge there. Good. Flour first, I hope you can see. I've tried to move the camera back a little bit. I'm going to get it all coated. Get it all in. Then into the egg. Mixture. Coated. Drain the excess. And then into the breadcrumbs. And get it all covered up. Simple to make. Well, so far anyway. I'm only going to get one in the air fryer at a time with these because these are massive. As you can see, guys, they've all done. I've just cleaned everything up because I made a bit of a mess. And I've just put the air fryer on to warm up. Now I was thinking, what am I going to have with these? I'm only going to be able to do one at a time in the air fryer anyway, because they're absolutely massive. And I was thinking, how about some homemade coleslaw? So I'm going to do some homemade coleslaw with them, just with some bits that I've got left over from Christmas. I've got 2 cabbages, 1 of each. I've got some lemons and some carrots. And just put it together and just make a basic homemade coleslaw. That's what I'm going to do. So we'll wait for the oven to warm up, at the air fryer, and then we will I'll start frying all these three up first before we put the sauce on, and while they're frying up I can do the homemade coleslaw then. Okay, air fryer's warmed up. I've got it on 180 degrees. As I say, I'm only going to be able to get one in at a time. Oh, I'll tell you what I want to do first. I want to oil them. I want to get the oil on, won't we? Because they're going to be too dry otherwise. I'll oil them individually actually as one goes in the air fryer. That's what I'll do. I've got myself a bottle, a thingy bottle, an air fryer bottle, whatever you call it, one of them. If I'm doing more air fryer recipes, I might as well have the stuff, mightn't I? There we go, we'll get that one in then. And I'll cook all them as they go along. Okay, while them chickens are cooking, we might as well just make the coleslaw. That's all I've got. You've got some red cabbage, some green cabbage, a couple of carrots, got some apple cider vinegar there, salt and pepper, a lemon, bit of mayo, and I might put a bit of sugar in to taste for the sweetness. That's all, guys. So I'm just going to make a basic one. So off we pop. I think that will do us. Not going over the top. There we go. There it is. We'll get some stuff in there. We'll start off with a bit of mayo. Some salt and pepper. And then just keep mixing to your taste, that's all. That's all you have to do. Bit of apple cider vinegar. Give that a shake. Not too much of that. And just keep mixing away, guys, and adding more mayo if you need to, and that's all. And quite a bit here. Bit of a lemon. Not too much because I'm not too keen on it. Okay, guys, they are done. Now, I've just warmed the sauce back up. It did go a bit gloopy. I don't think there's not a lot there, so I don't know if I'm going to get all these covered. But might have to just spread it so it's all, so I'll get enough to cover each one, if you get what I mean. I don't think I made enough. We'll see. Anyway, we'll get it all on. I've just put my air fryer onto grill mode. I'm looking forward to this now. As I say, I don't know why I've never tried it before. I'm not sure. I think it's looking kind of right, isn't it? Looking nice. Then we get a bit of parmesan, and we just grate some of that on top, don't we? In the way here the camera. Let's grab some parmesan on there. Can you see? I don't know if you can see that or not. I do apologise if you can't. I'm going to grate it on anyway. There you go, that don't look too bad, does it? First attempt, I suppose. I think that'll do us, won't it, guys? What do we think then? Yes? No? Let's get them in the air fryer. Try and get it in there. I should be able to get two in now they've been cooked and shrunk. I'll get two smaller ones in anyway. And we will grill them. Okay, guys, I think we are done. Looking delicious. Does it look like chicken parma? I suppose it does. I'm trying to get it out right. Hot. What do we think? There we go. What do you think of that then? I've got to get mine in yet. Well, the biggest one. The lad might have the biggest one. Right, I'll put them on the plate and then we'll go up the table. Yeah, I don't know. It looks nice. That's into, it's that white sauce thing, isn't it? I didn't tell it was white sauce. It's like that white sauce thing.
You shouldn't have told me that.
Why? You're eating it, ain't you? Let me show you mine. There's mine. On a better thing. It took ages to cook in the air fryer. I mean, it is quite big. Supposed to deep fry. I mean, it'd take like 5 minutes or something. But I thought I'd do it in the air fryer because I said I'm going to do air fryer recipes. But there it is. Yeah, but it's all in the taste. And that doesn't like Parmesan anyway, do you?
No, but I'm eating it.
But you're eating it? What's the way I made slaw like?
That's nice.
The old made slaw's nice. It's a bit dark in here again.
Chipping it down.
It's pouring down with rain, isn't it?
All day.
Yeah, ruined the day, didn't it? It was going out, weren't we, Bab?
Right, I'll let you try. I'm not being nasty.
I'll try it. I'll try it.
It's
It's going to be boiling up.
I'm not saying I don't like it. It's nice. But
We're not into them white sauces, are we?
you shouldn't have told me that.
Why? Well, you've been eating it, haven't you?
Yeah, I've been eating it. I don't want me to be moist.
And you'd probably been better if you had normal cheddar cheese, wouldn't you?
Probably. You have a go.
Probably try it.
You have a go.
It's hot.
Have a couple of bites to get the taste. It's hot, isn't it? Not spicy, hot.
I can taste the nutmeg. Can you taste nutmeg?
No.
No. Or a big taste of nutmeg. Missing something.
Told ya. Told ya. Well, it's not that I don't like it.
It's
like,
missing something, isn't it?
oh, look, I said to you, what cheese is that? Because I can't taste the... Is it Parmesan?
Parmesan. I put loads on. Maybe you could have put more on, but let's cut it down the middle. Let's cut it down the middle so you can see. I'm not sure what it's supposed to taste like either because I've never had it.
I like the chicken in the batter. That's nice. But I'm not sure about the top bit. I'm not sure about
Maybe not
it.
enough seasoning and the salt and pepper, no.
No.
I think it's missing something, and what's it missing?
Aren't you supposed to put ham on it?
No, it's cheese, I think. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm going to eat. It's not horrible.
No, it's not horrible.
No, it's not horrible. But I'm not sure what the taste's supposed to be.
It's quite
It's
bland.
It's not that white sauce thing, isn't it? Maybe a bit of paprika in there or something, in the sauce or something. To give it a bit of flavour. Oh, there you go. Let me know what it's missing. That's a shame, innit?
I like the chicken in there.
The chicken's nice.
In the back.
Something with the sauce. It's missing. I don't know what it's missing. It's missing something. Something to make to give it that. Maybe to put cheese in the sauce as well. I'm not sure. You might put cheese. You put cheese in the sauce. And that'd be too much then, wouldn't it?
Right, too much then.
I'm not sure. You have to let me know. Yeah, Parma chicken. First attempt.
It's nice.
If anyone's got a recipe for it, let me know and I'll do that recipe because I've just gone along with what this Teesside bloke said. One of his recipes. Because it's supposed to be Teesside thing and I always thought it was Italian. I don't know. But it's definitely missing something, Alice. Definitely missing something. I don't know what. Anyway, I'll say Happy New Year, everyone. I am the old food guy. More air fry recipes to come. Hopefully, a lot more tasty. Till the next time. See you later. Bye-bye.